Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about three cinematic transitions. Video transition is a post production technique used in video editing or film to connect one shot to another. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is speed ramping. We will be needing two clips, then we will nest them for us to have a smoother outcome. We will select this pen icon in the opacity menu, and there's your masking option. We will toggle all the keyframe under the mask. Don't forget to view your preview in 25% for you to make sure that you masked it all. Then there you have it. Just add some speed ramping to make it more seamless. Lastly, the whip transition. We will choose 2 clips here as well. It's important that the clips are going on the same direction, so you need to pre-plan shooting it. As you can see, it's not yet smooth. What we need to do is find a clip where the blur and speed is the most. I choose this part, and I'll cut it. Same in the second clip. Cut it in the most blurry part, then let's see. Here's the final result. We compiled them together and here it is. There you have it. You already learned about speed ramping, masking, and whip transition. Right doing the process provide all the factors to make the video better and you can make your way to success. That's all for today. See you on next tutorial.